Hello Udoers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I am going to teach you how to create search view in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So first of all I will tell you what is the search view. So a search view is used to allow users to filter, group and search for records easily in a list or the Kanban view. It helps users to find relevant data quickly by providing the search fields, filters, and group by options. So in this video, you will learn how to add filters to search specific records, group data by fields, and make searching simple for the users. So let's understand by the example. Here you can see the mole menu of mole.mole object, and here I create search view for this mole.mole object. So first you have to go into your XML file of this mole.mole object. So here you can see the XML file of the mole.mole object, and here for the creating the search view, you simply create new record like this. Into this new record, first of all you have to write the unique ID. So here I write mole underscore search underscore view, then write model is equal to ir.ui.view, then field name is equal to name, then write unique name. Here I write mole.search.view. Into name is equal to model. We have to write our object name for which we want to create search view. So here I add mole.mole. Then write field name is equal to arch and type is equal to XML. And then we want to create search view. So here write search tag like this and add a string value. Into the string you can add anything. So here I add search view. And first of all we write field name is equal to name. So this means you can search any record by this name field. So first of all you have to restart the server, upgrade the module and refresh this page. So this is the name field, and into the search view we write field name is equal to name, so we can search any record by this name field. So here I search mole, so you can see the name field like this. Here I click on enter button, so you can see two records with the mole name. Here I simply search alpha, so you can see only one record in which mole name is alpha. So you can write any field into this name attribute, so you can search any record by this name field. Now the next step is to add filter and group by into this search view. So for that here I write separator tag, and then you simply create a filter tag like this. Into filter I write string is equal to new. Into the string value you can write anything. Then into the name attribute I write new. There is generally a field name, but you can write anything, but make sure it is different. And then add a domain like this. Here I want to add filter. Here I want to add a filter like that. Only that records can be visible for which state is new. So I want to make a filter for which they can give me records for the state value is new. So into the domain I write state is equal to new. Here into domain this is the field name, then this is the operator value, and this is a state value. Now restart the server and upgrade your module and refresh this page. So you can see filter with value new can be visible into this filter section, and this new is a string name that we write into the XML side. Now you can see there are two records visible with the state value is new and open. Now I click on this new filter, so you can only see the record in which state is a new. Now I close this filter so you can see all records. Likewise, we add a filter for the state value is open and the state value is close. So here into the string value I write open, then into the name I write open. There is generally a field name, but we can write anything into this name, but make sure it is different. Then into domain I write field name is equal to open, because I want to make a filter for which state value is open. So into domain I write state is equal to open, and likewise I make a filter for the state value is close. So now restart the server and upgrade the module and refresh this page. So now you can see three filters. One is for the new, one filter is a string value with a new, then string value with a open, and then string value with a close. So we create three filter for which when the state value is new, one for the state value is open and one for the state value is close. So whenever I click on the new filter, you can see only those record in which status value is new. Now when I create open filter, you can see only those record in which status value is open. And now when you click on this close filter, you don't see anything because now we don't have any records with the status value is close. So you can create filter like this. Now we will create group of this field. Now we create group into the search view. So for that you have to follow the same syntax like me. Write group tag, then write expand is equal to 0, it means false, then write string value is equal to group by, and then write call span is equal to 16, and then add a filter tag likewise, and then add a filter like this. So here I write string is equal to mol status, into name I write field name state. Here you can write anything, but generally we write field name, and then add a context like this. Context is simply a dictionary. Into this group by, there is a default key, and then simply add your field name. So here status is our selection field, and that field name is state. So here I add state field. Now restart the server and upgrade the module and refresh this page. So here you can see more status in a group by options. Now when you click on this more status, then you can see all records in a group by data of status field. Now you can see like this. Now if you want to create a search panel, so you have to write search panel like this, and you can add a field which type is into the search panel. You can only add a field which type is selection and many to one. So here state is our selection field, so we add state field into this search panel. So you for this creating the search panel, so you have to simply, for creating a search panel, you simply write search panel like this and then add a field name. Here into the field name I write state, and then you can add icon like this. Here I add icon FA link into this state field. So now restart the server and upgrade your module and refresh this page. So you can see search panel like this into the list view or the Kanban view. So when the value is all, you can see all records into the list view or the Kanban view. But when you click on this new option, then you can only see the records in which the status is new. When you click on this open, then you can only see the records in which status value is open. So this is how you can create filter, group by and search panel into the search view. So this is how you can create search view in the Odoo. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.